Now, as the new season of the Jamaica Premier League draws closer, new head coach of five-time champions Harbour Jason Buju Henry is confident that the team will have a better season than last year. As you'll hear in this report, Henry has no problems with the changes made in terms of games for the JPL.
When Harbourview FC takes the field for the upcoming Jamaica Premier League season, there will be a new man in charge. Former strength and conditioning coach Jason Henry will be on the sidelines for the Stars of the East. Henry says that making the playoffs is one of the main objectives for the club this season.
To eliminate the performance of last year as a club, as a unit, and then the second objective is to get into the top six, and then we'll take it from there. A club like Harbourview, you expect to be at least in the top six every season, but as again, football doesn't play so every day. You have to perform in order to reach there.
And with the extension of the upcoming season to 3 rounds instead of 2, Henry says he's fully prepared.
My past role as a performance coach, that is right up my space. So managing 3 rounds is not a problem. I embrace 3 rounds, so because that is what I am also good at, managing players. So 3 rounds is not a problem for me.
He has all the confidence in the makeup of the team to handle the number of games that will be played.
And we have the depth, because we also have some players that are not in as yet, so we are going to get there eventually.
In terms of players' physical readiness?
Never difficult. Preparing a team physically is not difficult for me and my staff. As I said, I'm being at Harbourview from 2016. I was the head performance coach that deal with the physical performance of the players. So I still have that background. I have my master's in athletic science and strength and conditioning. So going 3 rounds with my knowledge is not an issue.
Harbourview will open their season against Chapelton Maroons at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex on Monday at 5 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.